Welcome to the Settings module in Bulkify, where administrators can connect multiple organizations and directories to create a centralized platform for bulk user management. The Manage Organizations page provides a single view of all connected organizations, allowing administrators to monitor connection status, last update details, and expiration dates across their environment. To add a new organization, simply click Add Organization. In the Setup window, enter the organization name, paste the organization API key, and select the appropriate expiration date. Bulkify also includes step-by-step guidance to help administrators generate an API key from Atlassian admin, making the onboarding process simple and efficient. Once the required information is entered, click Create to securely connect the organization to Bulkify. After setup, all connected organizations are available from one centralized view, enabling administrators to perform bulk user operations across multiple organizations without switching between different admin consoles. From a single view, administrators can efficiently manage user lifecycle activities, such as onboarding, offboarding, access updates, and other bulk user actions across their connected environments. This centralized approach reduces administrative effort, improves visibility, enhances governance, and helps ensure consistent user management across the organization. With Bulkify, managing multiple organizations and executing bulk user operations becomes faster, simpler, and more efficient. Get started with Bulkify today.